Kulandela izinsolo ezenziwe uKhomishana wamaPhoyisa KwaZulu-Natal, uJenene Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi, I-ANC ithi lezi zinsolo zibeka engcupheni ukusebenza kwezomthetho kulelizwe.
The African National Congress takes seriously the recent allegations made by KZN Police Commissioner, Lieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. These allegations touch on the very integrity of the criminal justice system and the constitutional obligation of the state to protect all South Africans.
I-ANC ithi iyaseseka isitatimende sikaMengameli sokulisukumela phezulu lolu daba.
We support fully the statement of the President that this matter is receiving attention and the President will fully attend to this particular matter as it borders on lawlessness, projecting us as a banana republic, but at the same time, it is important that all those matters that have been raised are attended to.
Isola amaziko ezindaba ngokubhebhethekisa okungelona iqiniso ngalezi zinsolo.
We respect media freedom. We fought for it, but that freedom must never be confused with impunity. The South African public has a right to expect truth, balance, and accountability from its media, not scripted propaganda manufactured in the corridors of political agendas.
Kusenjalo isemukele isigwebo sodilika jele esinikezwe osolwa ngokubulala uSindiso Magaqa.